Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So, to get started, you will want to open up your dialer, which is this green icon right here, and then click on Contacts, and these 4 dots, and move to Settings. In here you can see under Manage Contacts, Import Export. Select that and select that you want to import from SIM. This then displays all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now for me, it's a very limited list. You can select each one individually. You can also select all of them right here. Maybe also deselect some from all that you don't want. Whatever you want to do, just select the contacts that you do want to import, whichever way it's most convenient to you, and from there select import. When you do, it shows you the option to import contacts too. I do want to point out this is kind of a scammy kind of way to give you this pop-up. There is a whole heck a lot of screen right here for you to choose options from, but the reason I'm pointing that out is by default, if you're logged into a HUAWEI account, this will be the first option that will be visible right here. This is a scrollable list. It's not like we have an entire effing 6-inch display right here to utilize. So the reason this matters is because when you have a HUAWEI account, this is going to be visible right here, and the phone is below that. If you don't want to import your contacts to the cloud, which I personally don't, it's a absolute bullshit way to try to hide that option from you. Now, because there isn't a HUAWEI account here, it only shows me this one, which is very visible, but you can clearly see I can scroll down on the list. That is just a one option. So from here, you also want to click on the place that you want to import contacts to. And when you do so, it just automatically imports them, which they should now show up by going back in here. And they do. Now, one downside right here on the HUAWEI phone application is the fact that it's showing both contacts. So it's showing the imported one that is on the phone and the one that is on the SIM card. So you can see I have now duplicate contacts all throughout. Now in the settings, let's see if we have anything that would basically allow us to hide this. Organize contacts maybe? Merge duplicate contacts. Okay, I guess we have nothing. How about this? Will that hop? Nope, that didn't change anything. So it looks like you can't really solve this here. It would have been nice if you could just, hide the contacts that are on your SIM card or something along those lines, but it looks like you can't. So that's great. What you could technically do as a solution to this, though it's not really a foolproof solution, is create group. So you create a group of all contacts, and those contacts would be visible just in there. But this is like a sideways solution that isn't necessarily solving the problem altogether. Alternatively, you could use a different dialer or contacts application that would manage these contacts better. Now, one that would have been probably saying that I know does this as the Google's contacts, but HUAWEI, Google, they don't go too well together, so I think that kind of goes out the window. So you could try the store for the applications right here and see if there is anything that could work better than this. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.